Students, so now we solve the chapter number 8, exercise 8.3. Number 1 is calculate the amount and compound interest on. There are 5 parts. Number 1 में 5 parts है, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, so first A is, so 10,800 rupees for 3 years at the rate 12 whole 1 by 2 per annum, compounded annually. We find the amount and compound interest. Okay, so here our principal equal to 10,800. How many rupees? 10,800. Time equal to 3 years. Okay, and rate of interest are equal to 12 whole 1 by 2%, means 25 by 2% annually per annum. So we know that the amount formula is principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n, and compound interest CI equal to amount minus principal. Okay, here we put the value of P, R and N. Here N means 3 years. So principal equal to 10,800. 1 plus r equal to 25 by 2, again divided by 100 means multiply with 100 to the power n. N means 3. So 10,800 1 plus 25 by 200 to the power 3 equal to 10,800. 25 1 ja, again 25 8 ja. So 1 plus 1 by 8 to the power 3 equal to again 10,800. 8 1 ja, 8 plus 1 by 8 to the power 3. Then again 10,800 into 9 by 8 to the power 3 means multiply with 3 times. 9 by 8 into 9 by 8 into 9 by 8. Okay, so now we solve the total. So first we divided 4 2 ja, again this one 4 2 ja 8, 2 and 8 4 7 ja, then 2700. Okay, again we divided 4 6 ja 24, 7 27 minus 24 equal to 3 7 3 0 30, again 4 7 ja 28, 4 5 ja 20, again इसको फिर 4 2 जा हो गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट 675 into 9 into 9 into 9 होल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 into 2 into 8. ये सबको सॉल्व करने के बाद हमको मिलेगा 49207 डिवाइडेड बाय 32. 8 2 जा 16 2 जा 32. Again we solve this one. We get 15,377.34 means 15,377 rupees 34 पैसे. तो ये जो मिला हमको ये अमाउंट, दिस वन अमाउंट. सो नेक्स्ट वी फाइंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट मीन अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. सो अमाउंट हाउ मच? 15,377.34 minus principal equal to 10,800. Okay, we subtract, we get 4,577 rupees and 34 पैसे. ये जो हुआ this one the compound interest. Okay, next we solve the number B. So number B is 18,000 for 2.5 years at the rate 10% per annum compounded annually. So here principal equal to 18,000, T equal to 2 whole 1 by 2, okay, and R equal to 10% per annum. So first we find the amount. Amount equal to, ये जो हुआ 2 whole 1 by 2 means 2 years and half years. So first we find the 2 years amount. Okay, so So amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power N equal to principal how much? 18,000. 1 plus rate of interest 10, then by 100 to the power 2. Okay. So again 18,000, 100 cancel means 1 by 10. So again 10 plus 1 by 10 to the power 2. So how many rupees? 18,000. 11 by 10. Again multiply with 2 times. मतलब 11 by 10. So here 20, we cancel 20. So how many rupees? 180 into 11 into 11. Solve this one. We get how many rupees? 21,780 rupees. This one the 2 years amount. Again we find the simple interest of the half year. Okay. So interest after 2 years. Interest after 2 years equal to amount minus P equal to 21,780 minus principal equal to 18,000. How much? 3,780. Okay. So here compound interest after 2 years. Then we find this amount is we taking the principal of the next year. So simple interest for next half years will be simple interest for next half years will be, we know that formula, P into T into R, PTR by 100. Okay. So P is how much? Amount after 2 years the amount is, we calculate the principal. So principal equal to 21,780 into T equal to half years into R equal to 10. Again whole divided by 100. Multiply with 100. Then next. So 0 0 here cancel. Again 1 0 cancel. Again we divided with 2 1 ja 2. 2 8 ja 16. 2 9 ja 18. So 1089. ये जो 1089 हुआ ये हाफ ईयर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट. देन टोटल कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट इक्वल टू so first 2 years compound interest how much? 3,780 rupees plus 1,089. How much? 4,869. ये compound interest. Again we find the amount. So amount equal to 21,780 plus this interest 1,089 equal to 22,000. Then 9, yes 6, 8 8 6, 16, 7 plus 1 8, then 2 22,869. So ये total amount equal to this much. So hence amount equal to, amount is how much? 22,869 and compound interest is how much rupees? 4,869. So complete the number. Next we proceed on number C. So next C number 62,500 for 1 whole 1 by 2 years at the rate 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Okay, here principal equal to 62,500 and n equal to 1 whole 1 by 2 years means 3 by 2 years. Okay, then r equal to 8%. But here the compound interest is calculated half-yearly. So here n equal to 3 by 2 means annually. So half-yearly means ये टू टाइम्स हो जाएगा. सो 3/2 years इंटू टू टाइम्स. 1 year में 2 बार होगा इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. सो 2 कैंसिल और 3 years. Similarly, our rate of interest equal to 8% per annually. This one is per annually, but we find half yearly. So R equal to 8/2 equal to 4%. Okay, next we find the amount. So amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Put the value equal to P is principally how much? 62,500. Again 1 plus rate of interest 4 by 100 to the power n means 3 years to the power 3. So 62,500, 4 1 is 4, 25 means 1 plus 1 by 25 to the power 3. So 62,500 is much. Again multiply 26 by 25, multiply with 3 times means 26 by 25 we multiply 3 times. Okay, so we solve this one. Divided 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, again 12, 25 5 is to 2500. Okay, then this much 25 1 is 100. Finished. Again 25 4 is means 4 into 26 into 26 again into 23 times. Here also 26 3 times. So here also 4, there is 4. So we solve this one total. We multiply. We get how much rupees? 70,304. This one the amount. Again we find the compound interest. Compound interest means amount minus principal. So amount equal to 70,304 minus principal equal to 62,500 rupees. So we subtract. So we get 7,804. So complete. This one amount and this one the compound interest. Again we proceed the number D. So 8,000 rupees for 1 year at the rate 9% per annum compounded half yearly. Here principal equal to 8,000, n equal to 1 year, but here half yearly calculated means 1 year into 2 times. So n equal to 2 years. Okay, एक साल में 2 बार. Next our R rate of interest equal to 9%. Again this one per annum 9%. The rate of interest per annum means half of years. So 9/2 equal to 9/2%. Okay, so amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Put the all values. So P principal equal to 8,000, 1 plus rate of interest 9/2, again multiply 100, then to the power n means 2. Okay, so we solve this one. Equal to 8,000. वो सब तो नहीं होगा, नहीं कटेगा. So we multiply. So 1 plus 9/200 to the power 2. So 8,200. So 200 plus 9 whole to the power 2. 8,000 rupees into 209/200 multiply with 2 times. Power 2 means multiply 2 times, repeatedly 2 times. So here 1 0 1 2 3 0, again 1 2 3 0 cancel. Okay, so 2 4 is 8. Finished. Then again also 4 5 is 20 means 209 into 209 whole divided by 5. Okay, so we divide, we get the how many rupees? 8736.20 मतलब 20 पैसे. So ये this much is amount. This one is amount. Next we will find the compound interest. Amount minus principal. So how much rupees? 8736 paise 20 rupees 20 paise minus principal is how much? 8000 rupees. So we minus, so 20, then 6 minus 0 6, 3 minus 0 again 3, 7 minus 0 7, 8 minus 0 8 means how much rupees? 736 rupees 20 paise. This one the compound interest. Okay, so compound interest equal to 736 rupees 20 paise and amount equal to 8736 rupees 20 paise. Okay students, so next we proceed the number E. So students, E part is 10,000 rupees for 1 year at the rate 8% per annum, compounded half yearly. So first we write the given data. Principal equal to 10,000 rupees, n equal to 1 year. Again half yearly calculated means we multiply with 2 times, so 2 years. Then rate of interest equal to 8% per annum, but here we calculate half yearly, so 8 by 2, r by 2 equal to 4%. So amount equal to P into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n. P equal to 10,000, 1 plus rate of interest 4 by 100 to the power 2. Okay, so 10,000 again 4 1 ja, then 25. So 1 plus 1 by 25 to the power 2 equal to 10,000 rupees into 26 by 25 multiply with 2 times, power is 2 means next we solve this one. 25 4 ja 100, 100 finish, then 0 again we divided. 25 1 ja 25, 40 minus 25 equal to 15. So 150 means 25 6 ja 150. Okay, so 16 into 26 into 26. We multiply these 3 numbers, we get how much rupees? 10,816. This one the amount, total amount. So amount equal to this much. So we find the compound interest. Compound interest means amount minus principal. So amount equal to 10,860 again minus principal equal to 10,000. We subtract. So 6 minus 0 equal to 6. 1 minus 0 1. 8 minus 0 8. Again 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus. मतलब 800 how much rupees? 816 rupees. Again we write 816 rupees. This one the compound interest. So hence amount equal to, amount is how much? 10,816 and compound interest is how much rupees? 816 rupees. Okay, so number 1 is finished. Next we proceed the number 2. Okay students, thank you students.